It's hyperphagia, feeding season for brown bears in the far north. The sweet smell of a decaying carcass hangs in the air, but this brown giant isn't the only scavenger who's been attracted to the cadaver. Bear or wolf? Who will wrap it up? It's late summer in northern Scandinavia. During this time, brown bears need to put on weight to make it through the harsh winter. And ravens help them out. Wherever the blackbirds are, a meal is never far away, and the smell of decay is strong. A group of ravens feasts on the carcass of a deer. They're joined by a hungry wolverine. But once the big bear approaches, it's time to clear off. Most other animals stay well out of its way. The bear needs to make the most of this feast, as it won't be alone for long. Other bears are drawn in by the smell and the noise. And space at the dinner table grows smaller by the minute. To make it through winter, bears need to eat around 40 kilograms of food every single day, which intensifies competition. The tension is high, but every bear needs to get its fair share. And the last thing the bears want at this time is to get hurt, so they keep calm and share. At least for the moment. Maintaining this balance isn't always easy. Especially when other competitors arrive. The wolves. They aren't afraid of the bears, yet still, caution is advised. They need to assess the situation first. Slowly, the wolves draw closer. There are enough remains left, so the strategy is to sneak a bite. That shouldn't harm anyone. But the bears think otherwise. Change of plan. Time to attack. Bears are hardy and strong, but wolves are lighter and quick on their paws. The wolf simply has to keep moving. Just don't get hit by a bone-breaking bear paw. Another round, and in for a quick bite. The bears are annoyed and distracted. The perfect chance to snatch a delicious treat. The bears don't have enough speed to keep up with the wolves. With the bears far away from the carcass, the other wolf can easily steal an extra bite. The wolves have the upper hand. Living in a pack and working together gives them the edge over their larger adversaries, and an advantage in this fight for survival. At least for today. Want to see even more animals fighting for survival? Check out our Wildlife Battles playlist, and don't forget to subscribe.